requested video from a lovely subscriber of mine. I love when you guys request videos. Y'all don't understand how much it means to me. It helps me out. It gives me ideas. So today we're gonna turn it into a modern anime. Obviously, like always, I prepped and I didn't prime, I prepped. So as toner, I use my Fresh Kombucha cleansing treatment. Then I use my Caudalie SOS Thirst Serum, Pharmacy Honey Grail Oil to give me that extra hydration. To lock everything in, I use my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Base Base. And now we're gonna prime. Like I said in my other video, I wanted to try this so bad and I bought it. I already tried it in another video that I did. That video will be up before this one. But this is the One Size Secure the Blur primer. I'm gonna use a little bit more than what I used the first time because every time I use a product, I like to go in with a small amount just to see how much I actually need. It is blurring, but it's hydrating too. Let me use a little bit more. I can still see my pores a little bit. There we go. So yes, this makeup look, I actually did a TikTok on it, and since I already had my makeup on that day, I just filmed my COVID video. So that's the look where my subscribers saw it. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go check that out. Girl, I had the Rona, I was dying, but it's okay, I'm alive now. Shit is real. We're gonna go in with color corrector first. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury in number 3. I'm just gonna use my finger to apply it. You guys, I've been breaking out. I know it's like almost that time and stuff, and you know, when us women, when we break out around our mouth, that's usually why. Girl, I need to start with my It Cosmetics Skin Perfecting Brush. I'm gonna go in with the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in Caracas. All right, foundation. Oh my god, my shit look crazy. Bitch, you can never. So now foundation is on. I'm moving on to Nars Concealer in Caramel. This look is actually very simple. I only use about 2 eyeshadow colors and just a lot of blush. So I'm gonna blend that out with my Bobbi Brown high coverage brush. Comment down below if you guys want to see a haul from me. If you guys don't know, I work at Sephora, so I'm always getting free stuff from work. So I can do a Sephora haul for you, or I can do a Sigma brush haul because I bought, or just a brush haul because I bought a whole bunch of brushes from Sigma. I bought like 2 of these from Bobbi Brown. Yeah, just let me know in the comments. Ooh. We're gonna contour a little bit. I'm using the Fenty. I want some shrimp cocktail. I don't know why I just had that taste. Just hit my mouth just now. So we're gonna contour a little bit. Animes has like a nice chiseled face. Do y'all guys watch Attack on Titan? It's so fucking good. Gonna go over everything. Oh my god, with my beauty blender. So see, like it's very natural. It doesn't look like anything super crazy. We're gonna apply some cream blushes. I almost went in with powder, but I'm getting better now. I'm starting to realize cream before powder, bitch. All right, I'm using the Fenty cream blushes in Petal Poppin' and in Crush on Cupid. I just want to mix those two. Okay, so you want to bring it pretty close because we're going to bring our powder blush, not our cream, right across our noses. So I feel like with cream and powder, it'll just be too much product on the nose, and then that's when things start to look more cakey. But now we're going to set the under eye. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in honey, of course. Whew. Oh, and this is my Equal Tools sponge actually, and then I'm going to use a dry Equal Tools sponge to set my under eye with that powder. Whew, a lot of blending, god damn it. So So we're gonna bake under the eyes a little bit, bake here, because I just love to crease there. Just clean up under here. We're gonna let that chill.
Daddy, chill. What the hell is even that?
For a little bit. And I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Fit bronzer in number 3 with a Sigma F05 brush. So now to dust all this off, I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath my Pat McGrath blurring under eye powder in medium, and I'm gonna take a Sigma F25 just to get rid of powder. I'm actually gonna switch over to the color deep for around this area, so it won't be so light. Just love how it softens everything. Time for the blush. This is really gonna bring the look together. So should I do the blush last? Yeah, let's do the blush last. Eyeshadow primer, I'm using my Urban Decay original eyeshadow primer, the one in the purple tube. I want to keep my eyelid color as is and just put like a wash of a brown eyeshadow on top just to keep it very neutral. I'm gonna go in with my Biba palette. I'm gonna use this tan color right here. This is a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just wait, and we're just gonna pop this all over the lid. Gonna kind of like wing it out a little bit too. So to deepen it up, I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm gonna just put this right on top. Yep, this is the same color I use. I'm starting to remember. Take a clean blending brush, anyone that you prefer. This is a, I don't know, I think this is another Morphe M433. The number is rubbed off. Okay, so just like a wash of color like that. And then on the inner corners, I'm using my Natasha Denona purple palette, and I think I'm gonna mix these two. But let me blend this shit out first. Now I'm gonna run some of that purple under my eyes, so like up to there. I forgot that it comes with a little thingy where it has the names. This is Nina's Orchid. So god damn it, this is Nina's Orchid right here. This is the color that I mostly used, and I brought some of that color like in the inner parts of the lid like that, but not so far in, like not on the lid, just in the outer corner. With that darker brown that we used, that second color, I'm gonna run this on the lower lash line. I'm gonna use my Sephora Collection Precision Liner. It's like one of the best liquid liners out there, man. It's only like $12. Just the brush on it is so good. Did I do a wing liner tutorial? Did I? I feel like I did. I don't know. I don't remember. So we want to bring this bad boy kind of straight, not so high. So you want to do a liner like that. I'm gonna do the other eye, come back with lashes, and I'm gonna show you guys the lip. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the blush and the freckles. So I'm gonna use my Milani Coral Cove. Wow, you can't see that color for shit. There we go. And just pop this on the cheeks. Why ain't this bitch showing up? Just gonna apply it like this. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna bring it all across right here. So just, you see, all across the nose. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer just to like deepen this color so you guys can actually see something. There we go. There we go. So I'm gonna just take any angled brush, a nice brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this one right here. And just with the tip of the brush, I'm just gonna do little dots. Actually, let me use my brow pencil. And I'm not going in no particular order. Okay, I gotta hurry the fuck up. Now, lips. All right, I'm gonna use this Bite Beauty lip liner in 042. Fill that in. I forgot which blush I used for my lips. Let me see. It was either Crush on Cupid or Petal Poppin'. Oh, it's Crush on Cupid as a lip color. And now I'm starting to wonder, wait, let me see how it looks if I put Petal Poppin' on top. No, yeah, it was Crush on Cupid. Okay, let me fix my bangs. Let me fix my bangs. My bangs. I feel like putting a little bit of brown because I'm just not used to these colors anymore. So I'm gonna just go in with Nars Mambo just to neutralize that pink. Okay, and then on top of that, I just use my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Oh my god, I forgot to do... Hold on. I forgot to do the dots. Just take any liquid liner, is a lot easier with a liquid liner, and just dot the same area over and over until you get the size that you want. So I'm gonna do it a little bigger than the other video so you guys can see it, and I'm gonna just align that and do a dot right below it. And some lower shit. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try it out. If you guys do, please tag me. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you're not, please do. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.